Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today in our video we are going to decorate this wall with low budget. So without any further delay, let's go to the video. To make this decoration, the items we need are a bundle of papers. So you can take white papers and then paint on them, or you can get ready-made color papers. And then we need some stationery and scissors and then paints. And finally double-sided tape and thread. You all know we are doing wall hanging, so today we are going to do it in 4 different designs. So they are heart, circles, star and moon, and then flowers. So now let's see how we'll do it. As you all can see, we are done with the shapes. So this is circle, flower, star, moon, and then heart. So now let's paint it. So we are done with painting also. So now this is what we have planned. We are doing star in white color, moon in black, heart in red, and then flower we are planning to do it in 2 colors, and then circles in multicolor. Now we'll cut these shapes and then we'll show you how it looks. So now we are done with the shapes. So these are our hearts. And then these are flowers. Flowers we have done in 2 colors. So this is the another color. So we have done it in 2 colors. And then circles we have done it in different colors like pink, red, and then green, yellow, and blue. Circles we have done in multicolors. And now stars we have done it in completely white color with black colored moon. So now we'll just stick them to thread and see how it looks. Now let's start with hearts. Length of the thread, size of the shapes, and then the distance between each shape, everything depends on you. It is completely your wish. So like this we are doing another 4, like completely 5 hangings we are gonna do in each shape. So even that is your wish, like you can do how many ever hangings you want. So we prefer 5. So this is the length. We're done. So like this we'll do another 4 and then stick it to the wall. Let's go. So now we'll hang it over here with this double-sided tape. Since these hearts get turned due to wind or something, we'll stick it in the bottom also. Yeah, so now it is perfect, it's not turned. So like this we'll stick another 4. So yes, this is a heart shaped decoration of wall. So this is just one of the shapes, so we'll see the rest of the shapes. This is our second one, the multicolored circles. It looks colorful actually. So now let's do it for flowers. As I've told, we have taken 2 colors of flowers. So it is your wish, you can take any colors of your choice. So this is our flower decoration. So we have tried it in a different pattern. So now we'll show you how do you actually stick it. So you have to just take the shape and behind it you have to just put the cello tape. That's it. You're done. So you can either do it like this, or if you want you can take a double-sided tape and then stick it to the star and thread, and then upon that you can stick another star so that it will not be plain the other side. You can either stick the shapes on both the sides or on single side, like we have done it in the single side. In the thread we have used a thinner thread because we didn't want it to be seen. So if you want, you can use a thick thread also. So he is Chanti, he loves to be seen in videos. And he's asking you guys to please like and subscribe to our channel. So this is our final decoration, stars and moon pattern. So this was our video. You can even change the shapes or pattern. You can do however you want. We just did it like however we wanted it to be seen. So this was our video. If you have enjoyed it, then please give us a like and do share our video and subscribe to our channel Anjali Sisters. Thank you.